Wow, drawing on inspiration. Look, it's Figgy again.
I want to take Figment home with me. Like, that's all I want to do.
He could be creepy in the dark, staring at you.
I didn't think about that.
World of Motion, The Living Seas, Universe of Energy, nice. Horizons, The Land, and Spaceship Earth. Wow, look.
I know.
That's awesome. Wow. Gotta get a picture of this.
Yeah.
Just loving the views here at EPCOT, right?
Yeah. It's
awesome.
gorgeous here. It always is.
Yeah. I hear Test Track.
I'm like really happy we're experiencing a new festival too.
Yeah.
And I want to like look at the art and like there's actually a booth right up here, the artist, and I just want to look at all that stuff, you know?
It's fun.
Yeah.
It's kind of relaxing too here.
Yeah. Exactly.
Nice day, really.
Not that crowded yet.
Not yet.
Yet.
I think
We'll see.
I think World Showcase will be.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Oh, look who joined me on the ride today.
Test Track, the best ride there is.
Yeah, Kristen's pregnant, so she's out at Mouse Gear right now.
Yep.
And maybe filming some stuff, but we have Nick here and Lindsay.
Hey,
Oh,
so excited.
Look down here.
I know, I'm a little short. We're
So-
very excited for this one.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
15-minute wait.
Your masks are awesome.
Yep, we got
Nick, what happened to your mask?
It's in my backpack.
Oh.
It's too big on me. I'm a large, not an extra large.
Oh. So
Last part-
you would think extra large.
Yep. Last park day vibe, so you need to see it.
I need to wear heels to talk to you.
You're fucking up there, Ryan.
I get excited about Test Track. Aren't you?
I love it, Test Track.
Yeah. I hope it's not really 50 minutes like they say, but
Yeah.
let's
Usually
do
goes
it.
quicker.
It's been about 5 minutes. What time is it? We'll do a little time check.
206.
206.
Oh, look at your watch.
Let's see. 206.
Just
Not sure if you could see it. 206.
All right.
So,
Yeah.
not too bad.
How long already? 10 minutes? 5
Yeah.
minutes?
5. So yeah. So we've been on since 2. So let's see what it says.
Yeah, let's see what it says.
All right.
But we will be back before you know it.
So while Ryan's on Test Track, I came into Mouse Gear to see if they had any Festival of the Arts merchandise. And they do, and of course everything is super cute. They have Festival of the Arts hats. And then Festival of the Arts t-shirt with Figment. Okay, they also have a pass holder iPhone case, which is super cute, but of course, I love this one because Donald's on it. Chip and Dale and Mickey, and they're painting Figment. They have these super cute ornaments, which I think we might get. And then I'm assuming this is just like a dish, but this is adorable. They have this tie-dye Spirit jersey, and on the front, it says Festival of the Arts, and it's actually super cute because look at the back. I love it. And little Figment. They have pass holder magnets here. And also tumblers, which naturally are adorable. They have these magnets as well. And that one too. So these aren't pass holder magnets. And then they have this adorable tumbler as well. And I'm just realizing it's the 5th anniversary of the Festival of the Arts. So everything has the 5th anniversary on it. And then the last thing they have here is this super cute mug with a little Figment. It says 5th anniversary, and then when you turn it around, it says EPCOT Festival of the Arts, Eat, Sleep, Art, Repeat. And I kind of like this. I know we have a million mugs, but I feel like I'm gonna walk away with something.
Time check. What do we got?
We have 2:19.
Oh, 20 minutes.
Almost there.
20 minutes. It said 50, right?
Yeah, it's at 50.
Not bad.
See how we do.
Yeah.
All right.
We're moving, which is good
Almost
news.
there, baby.
It's a hard angle to get all 3 sizes in here. Okay, Test drive. We made it. 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We're here. Not 50. Yeah. You ready, Lindsay? You ready, Linda? That's Linda. Lindsay's mother.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de los 5. Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing sim car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
How'd you like that, Lynn? How's my driving?
We did it.
To see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compare.
All right.
After you disembark.
Crushed it. Loved it.
Nice.
Absolutely.
Woo! Almost lost the camera, but we're good.
It's the Corvette of the future, huh?
Ah, 20 minutes, that's it.
That wasn't bad.
You gotta see this footage that I just got. Me, Nick, Lindsay, and Linda in the car together outside. Point of view of our faces.
Oh boy. I'm reading up on the food.
Nice. Good?
Yeah, there's a couple good things. You also need to remember that you cannot send me inside of a store alone. Because I bought stuff.
It's okay.
Do you want to see what I got?
Yeah, what is it?
Okay, so on Instagram this morning we saw someone post that they have new wishables, and we really don't buy wishables, but we thought this one was cool. So I got one of these.
Oh, you got it. Awesome.
Yeah, it's the Wishables transportation
Awesome.
series.
Yeah, that's
so
cool.
You can either get the monorail, the Mark Twain
Let's see.
riverboat, the tram, or the locomotive engine. Obviously, we're hoping for the monorail because that's our
awesome.
favorite. So we'll open that later.
Yeah.
And then we were talking about getting this, and I just bought it just in case because I don't know what our status is going to be today, the rest of today and tomorrow. But we got our mom and dad hats, so I got a little Disney baby
perfect.
hat. Isn't that cute?
Beautiful.
Yeah, and then one more thing. If I can find it in the bag, because it's a little small. So they had Festival of the Arts stuff, which we just showed, but I didn't show this because this is behind the counter.
Oh.
So I got the pass holder pin.
Wow. Ooh. like it.
Yeah.
It's old school Figment.
Yeah. So I think it's time we head to World Showcase.
Let's go.
Try some food.
We are on our way. We're entering World Showcase.
Okay, we're gonna try the grilled cheese and tomato soup first. You ready?